Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks so much for tuning in. I know it's been a while since I've uploaded, but I think I'm back. Anyways, I'm gonna do a little bookshelf styling here near my entertainment area, the TV area. So this bookshelf used to be in my laundry room, and I plan on doing a few changes in my laundry room, so I decided to bring it up here because I thought it would look better, seeing that I do a lot of black, a lot of black decor up here and white. And the previous owner, I guess they had it in the laundry room. They also purchased some wood to create extra shelves. Unfortunately, the wood is in the natural color, and at the moment I don't have any paint to paint it. I have chalk paint, and this is definitely not chalk paint. This is regular paint, so I need to run out to the paint store. I think the only paint store close where I am right now is Benjamin Moore. I don't have any time to run out there today, but in the meantime I decided that I would do some DIYs and just style it for now. And I currently want to make a few changes here in my dining room, so I'm probably going to do everything all at once and share it with you guys. I have some glass bowls that I purchased a few years ago from HomeSense. I think they're actually bowls that you can use as dinnerware, but I'm gonna actually paint them in white so I can add, because you guys know I paint everything black, so I don't really have a lot of white home decor accent pieces. So I'm going to upcycle and reuse and DIY things that I have already in my home and paint them white because I have some white chalk paint on hand. And I'm gonna style and decorate the two shelves and the bottom area here with what I already have. Make a few changes here in the dining room, and the loud noise that you hear is my furnace going because it is extremely hot and I had to turn the air conditioning on. So that's what we're gonna go do today. That's what we'll be doing today. So I probably will do a little tablescape. I'm not sure, but I want to change out the wall decor. So I'm thinking about moving this beautiful piece that I got from Wayfair a few months back and putting it near the dining room because I feel like you don't see the true beauty of it here. And yeah, and putting it over there, but we'll see how it looks because there's I could hang it vertically, and I can also hang it the way it is showing right now on camera. So we'll see how it looks. So guys, I have a few things on hand that I'll be using to upcycle and reuse a few pieces that I have in my home to style and decorate that bookshelf. So I have the folk art home decor chalk paint. You can get these on Amazon. They're really inexpensive. They're like 10 bucks. Depending on where you live. Here in Canada, they're 10 bucks. I'm sure in the States they'll probably be half of that price. They give really, really great coverage. You need about 2 coats. It just depends on the size of the piece that you are refreshing. And I love the finish. It looks gives a really nice, elegant finish to your pieces. And I'm gonna be using these cute little paint. What are they? Pro Painter brushes. You can get these at Dollarama. I usually always buy like a few of them every time I go there and keep them on hand. And even though they're from Dollarama, you can reuse them. Just cover them with some saran wrap and it keeps the bristles nice and soft, and you can reuse them for another job. And I have these bowls that I got. These are actually dinner bowls that I had mentioned to you guys earlier. I got them from HomeSense a few years ago. And they've just been hanging around, packed up in my kitchen. I don't really use them to eat in because I usually decorate with them sometimes. But I don't want to spend money buying bowls to paint. So I'm just gonna upcycle and reuse what I already have. So we're gonna go ahead and give these 2 beautiful bowls about 2 coats of paint, maybe 3, just depends. And we'll see how they turn out so we can style and decorate that bookshelf.
On my old flame, watching my page, say they miss what I gave them. I'm doing fine now, I feel amazing, I'm out of their range. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't give them no time, that's how we stay up.
How we up, but you stay down. Real nigga from the app, better play out. Spending time wind down, what is takeout? And when I'm in them walls, you feel it in your bones. I've been on the road, this choke that I hold on your soul got me making up for days out. Got you singing tones till you laid out. It feel like what we on never fade out.
Fade out, fade out. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby say please and thank you cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. Show a little appreciation cause your lover stayed. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Niggas clout chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah, yeah. Told him that I give him life, he said, right. Now we can't leave from my side, oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my way. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you here for the ride.
Only for love, why your exes can't get enough. Man. They trying in line, they down on their luck. Keep them guessing when they ask about us. Don't pay them no mind, that's how we stay up. Niggas DM, don't know where to leave it. I post a pic, they comments be tweaking. Usually won't, but sometimes I read them. Leave them on red, I swear I can't please them all. But when it comes to you, I know how to handle that, boss. Even stay faithful while you was doing me wrong. I let it ride when I usually would've rolled out. Baby say please and thank you cause your lover stayed down. I leave the past in the past, that's all done now. So put that on me for my baby cause I always stay down. You know I ain't pressed for fame. Niggas clout chasing, they all lames. Trust me when I say I'm still the same. They gon' understand it one day, yeah, yeah. Told him that I give him life, he said, right. Now we can't leave from my side, oh my God.
You know I ain't chasing fame. You caught the vibe that I'm sending your way. You see that I'm still the same. Real one, I'ma never change my way. As long as I'm hitting it right and treating you right. You never leaving my side, you in for the ride.
So guys, this is how my dining room and the bookshelf turned out. I really like it. I like the light and airiness in the wall area by getting rid of the wall decor that I had there and just adding this beautiful piece. I think it looks really nice. It's really hot right now. It's full-blown summer here right now. So I just wanted to create a little bit of a light and airiness here in the dining room, especially because I added this bookshelf here and I know that I was going to be adding decorative pieces here. I wanted to keep things light and airy, lots of greenery, a little bit more white in the area. Like I said, just to give that light, airy look, and just also to give the dining room and this area like a little bit of a different look. So comment down below, let me know what you guys think of it. I just created a really simple tablescape using my everyday dinnerware that we normally eat in every day. These plates I've had for about 10 years. I got them from HomeSense. They're heavy ceramic plates and they're great quality. Like I said, I've had them for many years. The mats came from Amazon, so did the napkins, so did the napkin rings. My black flatware came from Amazon as well. I just kept it really simple with a knife and fork. Simple glasses that I got from Dollarama. This I got from HomeSense a few years ago and I painted it in black with some chalk paint. It is a glass piece. I really love it. I love the base of it. Really sort of a mid-century, I don't know, sort of bottom piece that it's added to the glass, to the vase I should say. And then this greenery I've had for a few years. I got that from HomeSense a few years ago. This was really big in decor where people would style these a lot in their home. And I think it's greenery anyway, so you can still style your space with it. Like I said, a really simple tablescape. My credenza, I kept my lamps. I added these dobo with some greenery. I kept my candle holders. The same vase, I removed the greenery that was here, and I just added these just to lighten up the area a little bit because I have a lot of black glass see-through. And then even though this piece is a light airy piece, I still wanted to add a little bit of lightness here. So these florals I got from Michael's I think 2 years ago, and it's just greenery with some nice little cute white flowers on it, and it has like a little bit of bling there. And then I love how this piece just gives a different look to the space, and I actually love having it here now to think about it, because you can actually see it a lot better than the way it was hung behind my sectional. So I really love how this area turned out. Really nice, light, airy, very modern, chic summer refresh here in the dining room area. And I'm going to hold the camera this way just to give you a better look at what the bookshelf looks like. I did mention to you guys that I do have some extra shelves that the previous owner added to this bookshelf. However, it is in the natural wood finish, and I don't have any paint on hand to refresh this bookshelf because it does need a little bit of a refresh. I have chalk paint, like I mentioned to you guys, but I don't want to use chalk paint on it. I want to use like regular paint. So I may add the extra shelf on top and then one at the bottom. But for now, I really like how it looked. And I just shopped my home and I used these boxes that I got from Amazon. A coffee table book, magnifying glass, and just a cute little vase that I got from Amazon. And as you guys saw, I DIY this black vase. I had like 2 of these, and I think the other one broke when we moved here. And I think the 2 of them would look really nice because they're pretty much the same. They have like the same style, I should say. And then I just added these palms just to bring in a little bit of greenery in this area. I borrowed some stuff from my daughter's bookshelf that she has up in the guest room just to bring in some more pops of white. These are some BTS albums and stuff like that my daughter, she loves that Korean pop band BTS. And then this was a DIY bowl that I painted in the chalk paint, and I just added little beaded chain that I got from Amazon. This came from HomeSense, that came from HomeSense, and just another little greenery ball that I added here that I've had for a few years from Dollarama. And these are just some black and white Vogue coffee table books that I got from Amazon a few years ago. And here's my second bowl, and then above I just added a chain link that I also got from Amazon. And I love how that turned out. Just gives the space a whole new look. Yeah, just to give the space a nice, really airy, light, fresh look by, you know, moving things around, adding a few things, reusing and DIYing and upcycling things that I already had. Don't mind that piece right there. My grandson is here and that's his PlayStation. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you enjoy these types of videos, definitely subscribe, become a part of the family here on Glam Designs by Anne, and don't forget to double tap your post notification bell. That way you'll get alerts each and every time I upload a video. Comment down below and let me know what you guys think of my summer refresh here in the dining room, and what you think of me adding this bookshelf to the living room / dining room area, and what you think of the DIYs and how I've styled it. Do you guys like the styling? Anyways, that's all I have for you today. Thank you so much for tuning in, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.